Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your phone. First, head to your device's App Store and download the official PUBG Mobile application. Make sure your phone has at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage space for optimal performance. Once installed, simply create a new account or log in with an existing one to dive into the action. It's a straightforward process to get started. Mastering the basic controls is key to success. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a virtual joystick for character movement. To look around or aim, simply drag your finger across the right side of the screen. When you spot an enemy, tap the fire button, usually located on the right, to unleash your weapon. Practice these fundamental actions in the training ground to build muscle memory. Looting is crucial for survival in PUBG Mobile. As you explore, pick up weapons, protective armor, and vital healing items like first aid kits. Your backpack has limited space, so prioritize what you carry. A good rule of thumb is to have 1 primary weapon, 1 secondary, and plenty of ammo. Don't forget to attach scopes, grips, and magazines to enhance your weapon's performance. When engaging in combat, always use cover to your advantage, whether it's a building, a rock, or a tree. Teamwork is vital, so communicate with your squad using the in-game voice chat to coordinate attacks and share information. Remember to keep an eye on the map and stay within the shrinking safe zone to avoid taking damage from the blue circle. Strategic play often leads to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.